Hi guys, look what I got today. My youngest son, Patrick, he went fishing with his boss, and this is what he got. 6 beautiful sheep's head. Legal size sheep's head, guys. Look. Good blessings today from my fisherman. My youngest son, Patrick, he went fishing. And look, guys, this is good for sinigang. So I'm gonna clean the small ones, and the big ones, I'm gonna probably put it away for my cousin because she's coming to see me soon. And here it is, guys. Beautiful fish. Thank you, Chong. Good fish. I have a lot of fishermen, and my oldest son, he texted me too. He got fish for me too. He went fishing today too with my grandsons, Connor and Tyler. And they have whiting and pompano. So I have some more fish coming, guys. Good blessings, guys. Good blessings. Thank you, Lord. Good blessings. Fresh fish.